Good morning everybody. In our previous class, we were discussed about the chapter The Peninsular Plateau, and the topic was the life of the people in the Peninsular Plateau. That day we were discussed some state. Now today we also discuss about some state in the Peninsular Plateau. Okay, so let's start. Now first we discuss about Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Andhra Pradesh's capital is Amravati. Okay, and it is located in the eastern part of this peninsular plateau. And Andhra Pradesh, the main language is Telugu, Urdu, and English. And here main occupations of this state is agriculture. Main crops grow here are rice, jowar, tobacco, sugarcane, groundnut, ragi, and oilseeds. Main industries of this state are iron and steel industry, shipbuilding industry, cement industry, silk and handloom industry. Okay. You can also see some tourist spot here like Lord Venkateswaram temple in Tirupati. This is one of the most important religious center in India, and here the people wears dhoti, shirt, and women wear sari. Okay. Next state is Telangana. Telangana capital is Hyderabad, and here Telangana has been covered out Andhra Pradesh. So the culture and traditions of the both states are almost same. Main language spoken by this region's peoples are Telugu, Urdu, and English. Okay. And main tourist spot or the tourist attraction in this state are Charminar and Solar Jung Museum, and also Golconda Fort is located in Telangana. Okay. Next is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu located toward the south of the Andhra Pradesh, and the capital of this state is Chennai. Okay. Chennai, in the previous time, Chennai is called Madras. Okay. And Chennai is an important seaport of the eastern coast of India. Here, river Kaveri is the main river of this state, and the main occupations of these regions is agriculture. Main crops grow here is rice, sugarcane, groundnut, coconut, cotton, spices, and fruits. Tea and coffee is also grow in the Nilgiri hills. Okay. And fishing is also another important occupations of these regions. Okay, everybody understood? And you have to remember the main language of this region in the Tamil Nadu is Tamil, and men wear lungi and shirt and women wear sari. And here some important dishes name is sambar, rasam, idli, dosa. Okay, and Pongal is the main festivals of Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is the most famous dance of the state, and some important religious centers is like Meenakshi temple in Madurai. Okay, and some important cities of this state are Coimbatore, Kanchipuram, Madurai, Salem, Vellore, and Kanyakumari. Our next state is Karnataka. Karnataka located in the western part of Deccan Plateau. Main capital of this state is Bangalore. Bangalore is also called Silicon Valley, and here some important rivers is Krishna, Kaveri, Saraswati. Okay, and main occupations of this state is agriculture. crops grow in this state are rice, maize, groundnut, cotton, oilseed. Mineral found in this state are gold, iron, etc. Industries also present here, like IT industry, electronic industry, aircraft industry, handloom industry, silk weaving industry, and main language Kannada. Okay. Here some important festivals are Diwali, Dashera, Ugadi. Okay, and main tourist attractions of this state are Mysore Palace, Nandi Bull Temple, and the statue of Gautameswara. Okay, and you have to remember some important cities of Karnataka, that is Mysore, Mangalore, Bijapur, Dharwad, and Belgaum. Okay. Thank you everybody. I hope you understood this chapter properly. In our next class, we will discuss about the question answer from this chapter. Okay, thank you.